Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or disable LED flash notifications on the iPhone for the Facebook app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app on your iOS or Android device and select the profile icon in the top right. Underneath Menu, select Settings. If you do not see that, you may have to expand Settings and Privacy, and then it should be the top option. So go ahead and select Settings. Underneath Preferences, select Notifications, and then scroll all the way to the bottom where it says Where you receive notifications, select Push, and then where it says Phone LED, you can go ahead and toggle that to the off position. It should be grayed out once it's turned off, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.